Alright everyone, I'm going to teach you how to kickflip. Now the thing with kickflips, it's all in your position, like where your foot is, how you have it angled, because if you have it super angled, you're not going to get any flip with it, because it's just going to go off the side and go into a huge mess. So your front foot you want about in the middle of the board at a little bit of an angle, and you want your back foot on the tail comfortably. I mean, you should probably have it before your toe. All it is when you start to hear that pop of your board, you come up and you flick it right there where the nose and the board meets the concave. So there's a little dip right there that you basically just go up and flick your foot right off. So it just flicks right there, so then you can get a nice and even spin. And then basically for the landing, all it is watching it flip and the grip tape coming around. So as you go up and you flick it, when your board comes around, you want to try and stomp on the grip tape so that you land it well. You should probably, for beginning, you should probably try to land on it like toward the middle of the board, because if you land on the board, you know you're doing everything right. Just need a little more height and maybe a little bit of faster flip. But I'm going to show a couple of examples so that you can see how it's done.